Every second of every day, your body is building, repairing, and maintaining itself. Your muscles contract, your skin renews itself, your immune system fights harmful invaders, and your brain sends billions of signals throughout your nervous system. But behind all these incredible processes lies a group of tiny molecules that most people rarely think about. Amino acids. Often called the building blocks of protein, amino acids are absolutely essential for human life. Without them, your body wouldn't be able to build muscle, repair damaged tissues, produce hormones, create enzymes, or support a healthy immune system. Scientists have identified 20 amino acids that play major roles in the human body. Some can be produced naturally by your body, while others must come from food. Today we're going to explore 8 important amino acids your body needs, how they work, why they're important, and which foods contain them. By the end of this video, you'll understand why amino acids are among the most important nutrients for overall health and longevity. Let's begin. 1. Leucine, the muscle builder. Leucine is one of the most famous amino acids, especially among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. It belongs to a special group called branched-chain amino acids, often abbreviated as BCAAs. What makes leucine so important is its ability to activate muscle protein synthesis. In simple terms, leucine tells your body that it's time to build and repair muscle tissue. After a workout, tiny tears form within muscle fibers. This is completely normal. During recovery, your body repairs those fibers and often makes them stronger than before. Leucine acts like a switch that starts this rebuilding process. Research has shown that leucine plays a major role in preserving muscle mass during aging as well. As people get older, they naturally lose muscle mass in a process known as sarcopenia. Consuming enough protein and leucine-rich foods may help slow this decline. Leucine also contributes to wound healing, blood sugar regulation, and energy production during physical activity. Foods rich in leucine include beef, chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, milk, yogurt, soybeans, lentils. Without enough leucine, muscle recovery becomes less efficient, and maintaining strength can become more difficult. 2. Lysine, the collagen supporter. Next is lysine, another amino acid with several important functions. One of lysine's most valuable roles is helping your body produce collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body. It provides structure to your skin, bones, tendons, ligaments, blood vessels, and cartilage. In fact, collagen acts almost like the scaffolding that holds your body together. Without adequate lysine, collagen production can become less effective. Lysine also helps your body absorb calcium more efficiently. This makes it important for maintaining strong bones and healthy teeth throughout life. Additionally, lysine contributes to immune function by helping produce antibodies that protect against infections. Scientists have also studied lysine's potential role in supporting healthy stress responses and emotional well-being. Foods rich in lysine include beef, pork, poultry, fish, cheese, eggs, beans, lentils, quinoa. A diet lacking lysine may affect tissue repair, immune function, and overall protein synthesis. 3. Methionine, the detoxification expert. Methionine is unique because it contains sulfur, an important mineral involved in many biological processes. One of methionine's primary jobs is supporting detoxification. Your liver constantly works to process toxins, medications, alcohol, and metabolic waste products. Methionine helps fuel many of these detoxification pathways. It is also necessary for producing cysteine, another amino acid that helps create glutathione. Glutathione is often referred to as the body's master antioxidant. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful molecules called free radicals that can damage cells over time. This makes methionine indirectly important for healthy aging and cellular protection. Methionine also contributes to DNA production, cell growth, and normal metabolism. Foods high in methionine include eggs, tuna salmon, turkey, chicken Brazil nuts, sesame seeds, dairy products. Because methionine supports so many essential functions, adequate intake is crucial for long-term health. 4. Tryptophan, the mood and sleep. Amino acid. Tryptophan may be one of the most fascinating amino acids because of its influence on the brain. Your body uses tryptophan to produce serotonin. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter involved in mood regulation, emotional well-being, appetite control, and cognitive function. Many people know serotonin as the feel-good chemical, but the story doesn't end there. Serotonin can also be converted into melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating your sleep-wake cycle. This means tryptophan plays an important role in both mental health and sleep quality. Although eating tryptophan-rich foods won't instantly make you sleepy, regularly consuming enough of this amino acid helps support normal serotonin and melatonin production. Foods rich in tryptophan include turkey, chicken eggs, cheese, milk, oats, pumpkin seeds, peanuts. Tryptophan demonstrates how nutrition and brain function are closely connected. 5. Phenylalanine, the brain performance amino acid. Phenylalanine is another amino acid that plays a major role in the nervous system. After entering the body, phenylalanine can be converted into tyrosine. Tyrosine is then used to produce several important neurotransmitters. These include dopamine, norepinephrine, epinephrine. These brain chemicals influence motivation, learning, focus, memory, alertness, and mood. Dopamine in particular is associated with reward, motivation, and goal-directed behavior. Without adequate amino acids, your body would struggle to produce these critical signaling molecules. Phenylalanine also contributes to the production of hormones that regulate numerous bodily functions. Good dietary sources include fish, beef, poultry, eggs, dairy products, soy products, nuts, seeds. This amino acid highlights the direct connection between nutrition and cognitive performance. 6. Threonine, the tissue protector. Threonine may receive less attention than some other amino acids, but its contributions are essential. One of its primary functions is supporting the production of collagen and elastin. These proteins help maintain healthy skin structure and elasticity. Threonine also contributes to digestive health. The digestive tract is protected by a layer of mucus that helps shield sensitive tissues from stomach acids and digestive enzymes. Threonine is involved in producing components of this protective barrier. Additionally, it supports immune function and proper protein balance throughout the body. Foods containing threonine include cottage cheese milk, yogurt, chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, legumes. Although often overlooked, threonine helps maintain several systems that are vital for long-term health. 7. Valine. The recovery amino acid valine is the second branched-chain amino acid on today's list. Like leucine, valine plays a major role in muscle metabolism. Muscles can directly use valine as an energy source during exercise. This becomes particularly important during prolonged physical activity when energy demands increase. Valine also supports tissue repair and recovery following exercise. In addition to its physical benefits, valine contributes to healthy nervous system function and mental performance. Foods rich in valine include beef, poultry, fish, dairy products, soybeans, mushrooms, peanuts. For active individuals, valine helps support endurance, recovery, and muscle maintenance. 8. Histidine, the immune and blood health amino acid. Our final amino acid is histidine. Histidine serves as a precursor to histamine, a compound involved in several important biological functions. Histamine helps regulate immune responses and plays a role in digestion and communication between nerve cells. Histidine is also essential for producing hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the protein inside red blood cells that carries oxygen from your lungs to tissues throughout your body. Without adequate hemoglobin, oxygen delivery becomes less efficient. Histidine additionally supports tissue growth, repair, and maintenance of the protective myelin sheath surrounding nerves. Foods rich in histidine include beef, chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, dairy products, whole grains, beans. Because histidine supports both oxygen transport and immunity, it contributes to overall vitality and health. Amino acids are far more than simple components of protein. They are involved in nearly every major process that keeps your body alive. Leucine helps build muscle. Lysine supports collagen and bone health. Methionine contributes to detoxification and antioxidant defenses. Tryptophan helps regulate mood and sleep. Phenylalanine supports brain chemistry and cognitive performance. Threonine protects tissues and digestive health. Valine fuels recovery and physical performance. And histidine supports immunity, oxygen transport, and nerve function. Together, these amino acids form part of the foundation of human health. The good news is that most people can obtain these nutrients through a balanced diet rich in high-quality protein sources, such as fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, poultry, and lean meats. Understanding these amino acids helps reveal just how extraordinary the human body truly is. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, sound pride, og sen skawad, scrying someone and 5. Turn on notifications for more science-based health content from Naturixon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.